watching, or let's say working on one more exercise where we will be manually taking the data model and joining it with matrix visual. So this is a different example. So if you can see, this is the data that we earlier also have worked on. And what we can do, I can just copy this page, duplicate page from here, right? And if you see, right now we have taken a matrix here. Okay, and we can also take the simple table format also. In the simple table format, you will see there are multiple rows for multiple entries instead of how the hierarchical way was in the matrix. So this is how you can show your data into multiple things, like you can use the simple table or you can use the matrix table as per your uses. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.